Well, my father never really did a film where I could have come to as a youth and reason about certain things, you see me?
Can't go cry where you hide the money for, but you want me good, and you hide the money. That don't make no sense. You want to go at up next girl out the road.
Because if you have a youth right now, it's either you take care of him or if you don't take care of him, I go wrong with him. I know that for my youth.
My people, let them know say the girl Sunshine representing for Jambox 876.
We see the face I hear the voice, you know a toxic. I'm there represent from a bad bro Smithy Dan YouTube channel Jambox 876.
Don't know say the girl Vanessa representing for Jambox 876. I don't know how the thing go representing for Smithy Dan. Big up yourself, that is it.
Done. Fully react.
Just a little pineapple juice, guys. No alcohol.
What is man?
Hey guys, it's the girl Sunshine representing for Jambox 876. It's been a while, but you don't know people. It's 2024. We're gonna bring you something new, something great, adventurous, and we are here in
Kojozil Mountain River Cave. We're at Sissy right now.
Sissy River. But say if you like to hike, if you like to walk, if you just like nature itself, guys, come to Sissy River at Point Hill. Oh, one question. I wanna wait for subscribe. Wanna wait pan, I can't sit up, I can't. What is wrong? Listen, if you don't want us to always bring you guys something new, just like up the like button, share and subscribe.
I want to say big up Jambox 876, you know. Mad, Ersker.
Big up one and only Jambox 876. Them are in the place.
Big up Jambox and them things. Come here, man.
Come. Hi guys, welcome to River Talk. I don't know say yeah, Jambox 876 always gonna bring us something new, and this is it, River Talk. Gonna always to the ladies. Now it's time for the men. Yeah, introduce yourself.
One Alex Badman.
Miguel.
Don't know say sleepwalker mugger.
My name is Zaria. You can follow me on IG as Unbothered Girl 1 and TikTok Zaria Top Notch.
Alright, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Well, I see myself in the US, you know. I fight the fight and I make my way up in life. You see me, same way because we still fight the fight. And we out here trying to make the best of life right now, you see me? Yeah.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Like 5 years from now, I see myself in the army. Yeah, because the place I'm come from, I like, you know, nice still because as the queen somebody did, so me want to make a change to that. That's why I'm going to the army and them thing there. And can support my family and them thing there because my father never did that. When me at 14, I know my father. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to the army. Pay back mother for all what she do for me and them thing there.
Alright, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Well, to tell you the truth, I want to put it so far because right now I put my best, do my best for reach. So 5 years from now, I want to pull down and I know say, yo, my dog them who they go through hustling, can drop something at them and make them know say, yo, out there.
Alright, so I understand that you said you know daddy when you turned 14. What was it like growing up without a father?
You never really like, you know, it's not too hard still, no, but I always ask for him, but not hard because my mother is a hard working woman still. No. So it's not really hard. Never hard. I never shot nothing because she tried her best to make me shot nothing and anything there. Yeah, my mother is a hard working mother still.
I hear from a young man that he speaks on this because a lot of younger guys out there, them have them child and you know once baby in a belly them gone, and if the baby come, they're not taking their responsibilities. What are your views on this?
Well, my father never really did it for me when I could have come to as a youth and reason about certain things, you see me, so but I like to did it for my youth mentally and physically, you see me, he can talk to me about certain things, you see me.
You say mother, father, no father in play?
Well, him did it, but like, you know, like when you put souvenir on dresser, yeah man, I just say it, but can't hate him, you know, because him bring me come here about coping, you know.
Coping night, because if you have a youth right now, it's either you take care of him or if you don't take care of him, I go wrong with him, I know that for my youth. So I have to open night, so him know, say, yo, my life is different from female, you know. Yeah, I'm not going to just look for any woman so I just drop my pitney in a fair belly aside. I look for a proper woman. Can know say yo, all if me have it in my mind say yo, I go poor her, so all if me do poor, my woman can know say yo, she can take care and pitney although I still go to hustling, you know. Yeah man, but otherwise I don't miss the way there. Still have to have it. Because if I don't have it, youth have it, you know. I have to have it for have a youth.
I want to know, what do you think about, you know, being a gallus and staying true and loyal to one partner?
Well, me and a gallus, you see me, me is a lover boy, but you have to know which girl have to be a lover boy for, you see me? Yeah, as me is a lover boy, you see me, so me don't know about no other man about them gallus thing, but you just have to know which girl have to be a lover boy for, you see me, because girl wicked in a dog, girl wicked bad in a brother, yeah, for real, you know. A man have experience, you know. Girl wicked, you know.
Why you say woman are wicked?
Whole heap of things based off of what me see. And what happened to my dog them and I want my dog them. Woman are wicked, but not my woman. I know one of my dog them right now. I chat to him friend girl. And him friend girl have a whole time classmate them, you see me? And I just saw it go and she still a look something from him, you see me? I just saw it go, woman are wicked. Say now, so like a my woman when I live with and so I settle down with, unless like she there woman do round, you see me? Everything deal with her, have to deal with now house, yeah, but say if it's a woman where she live your place and me live my place, you have to can do your little thing. Say for example, me and y'all have a youth, you're supposed to can do that for the youth if me not so financially stable at the moment, you see me?
So the question is, do you think as a youngster, you know, you would be, you know, faithful, or you want to just be a gallus?
Well, tell you the truth, faithful half a night, you know. But some of my girl them nowadays, but tell you the truth, them deserve it. Because I tell you, recently, when a girl them fuck it up bad, I almost ball. I just show me girl and I get up, know for hold it out. But now, I tell you, no girl no reach my heart yet. But I tell you, happy happen. Happy have a girl that can reach it, man. I want a youth in the future, you know.
Being that you go to school, what is the peer pressure level like, you know, within joining gangs? Because I understand in a lot of schools, you have, if you're not in a gang, if you're not in a group, if you're not going with badness, it's like, you know, you're there at the bottom of the ground and people kick and bully you.
You see what going in school now, if you're not in a gang, them trouble you and tax you and them something there. But me, that can't happen to me because in school I'm going now, mostly people go there are people from my yard. So my partner circle, but recently I get catching one bag of foolishness and I kind of come out of the gang now.
Alright, what you think about life? When you sit down and pre-life, what you think about everyday life?
Well, life are the greatest, you see me? As long as you have life, no matter where you go through, man, may I tell you, life are the greatest. You see me? You have to just give God thanks you're there. Whether you're there on your highest or your low, you see me? You're just there and you continue push, you see me? Don't give up the fight as long as you have life. You see what I'm saying?
Well, to tell you the truth, boy, I don't think it's hard to find, you know, man. I tell you, it's hard to find. So, been through whole heap. I tell you, them say I'm cold. But I them fuck up, man. I've been through a lot. So I don't think I go buck up in that where a girl can clone me out. Most I go see that. So now I go reach that spot there. Been through it already.
So before I let my nice, clean, young, charming gentlemen, before them sign off from Jambox 876, I just want them to give, family, friends, whoever a shout out because them go on with themselves today. Tell you one thing, big up your IG page where the girls them, where anybody can find,
Not a image, man. Not __ image, man.
Pass. Big up 5.
Alright, what is better, guys, than one of our Jambox 876 fan? I'm gonna let her introduce herself along with one of our anthem from Jambox 876, yeah? By the way, first question before that. Is a child's father in play?
Then that is after your must. All when me and you talk, uncle, you have to make sure things up. You're crazy? You have to make sure things up. All when me and you talk, and him there foreign too, So you have to make the money run. And if you know me, I run the money to you, give your mother the money. Yeah, from a baby, alright, I know say, yeah, put together, yeah, play your part. Alright, man, do anything you want, uncle. As long as you play your part, I'm a good man. Yeah, believe, Once you see somebody, you see somebody care and willing to give you, make sure say you're alright and comfortable. You go sit down and say, yeah, I go give me, I boss him. You just see him now, him go and hype it type, you go on more and more than you. No, uncle, you have to go one side. Go one side
but
with
how
that.
would you know?
Because I sit down and meds you. I watch you. Yeah, I sit down and watch you and see you move. A man for the play right, a man for play right. They can't want you do this and you not do this. 2024 now. Everything out in the world now. Nothing I hide nowadays. So it don't make no sense. You say, I not go do this, I not go do that. But yet still you don't want man money. And this and that, don't make no sense. And young girl out there, if you stop going like more than people, if you stop it, not taking man them things, not talk about, me not doing this, me not doing that, and not doing things, stop it, stop it.
If you have a Jamaican boyfriend who is your personal boyfriend and he mean, and a foreign man step to you, would you date that foreign man on the side?
I tell you honest truth, yeah. Because as a young girl, you know some want things. You know also have to build up car, have to drive. Young are full of ambition. So if me say me not going with the Jamaica man, better me go somewhere with the foreign one. Me say yeah, everything I go my way. Yeah, he please me, I make sure say me alright. Yeah, me I go pick the foreign man. Sorry Jamaica man, me go pick the foreign man. I want to do that for myself and me. Mean man, Jamaican man, they mean no bombard. They mean. Foreign man, yes baby, what you want baby? I'll give you this baby. Jamaica man, what you want this to do man? What you want this to do? I want this, you have to tell them what you want. If you do foreign man, just give it no problem, no question. Can't manage Jamaica man.
So yeah. Alright, mama. So what do you think about, in a relationship and the man not give money but same have the money? Would you take it?
I fix up that mic after that one now. What you say? If him have the money and he not give me, I no must take it. Because me I give you my front, So what you hide the money for? Me take it, man. You can't go cry. Because you know who take the money. You can't go cry where you hide the money for. But you want me good. And you hide the money. That don't make no sense. You want to go at up next girl out the road. Crazy, man.
So,
if them not go do, suppose we want them to do something, them not go do it. Them want say about this and that, man, and that and that. But why when you want to do it, it's supposed to be okay. But when we want you to do it, you don't want to do it. So fear is fear. Yeah. You can't want me to do something and you don't want to do it back. It don't make no sense. 50-50.
I want to know, tell me a secret that you have never told anyone before.
No. When you give me $1 million, me set myself on a level. But me tell you, I give you a little joke. One night we are going to one club. Me and the girl right there, so we are hug up and make love. Put her in the video, man. Me say, so we beg one bike man to drop we off one Rasta man. So Rasta say bike now, so righted. Can't go manage it to her. So alright, auntie say, no Rasta no it we have to go up on the bike and one front, one back. Rasta say, alright man, alright. Alright, there we go on the journey now. Rasta him start touch up my friend front. My friend slap Rasta on him and I say, Rasta focus on the road. Rasta say, I'm focused, baby, I'm focused. Rasta start rub me leg round my back. Me say, Rasta leg off. Rasta say, baby, I got this man.
Would you rather to have sex indoor or right just up on the river with the rock and you know the breeze and everything are going?
Question that, man. Once a my man, anyway you want it. All up in a tree, man. Once a my man. Yes, in the car, anywhere on the river, down there up on the tree, anywhere, man. Yeah, outside sex nice, and you look a cool breeze blow up on my pum pum. Yeah. Yeah. Like you look at outdoor sex, better than inside. Space small, inside, outside space, you can go anywhere you want. Switch position anywhere. Yeah.
Alright. Jambox 876 as we're about to close it off. You don't know, so that was Zara top notch. And you don't know, people say she close it off with story time and river talk. Something new as I always say. Jambox 876, the girl Sunshine signing out. Bye, love you guys.
You know how dance, fully rigs. One Smithy OJ, you know I go. Out way outside. On the Sissy River, you know. Dance.
Jambox. You don't know. Big up one and only Jambox 876. Them are in the place. You know. Yeah, shoot off my crow, not lead in a top speed. Girl side of me, I beg me to stop, please. More car try chop, but him can't chop these with the grabber filing. Can't stop these big crook. Another brick just broke. That no means that the house can't go up. Bitch, I make another nigga bitch I get. That's very more car, a regular. We send him money gone in a zelly up. More car, a regular. Me send him money gone in a zelly up. Yo, me have the cash up, the zelly, the PayPal not ready. Me up the zelly. Me have the cash up, the zelly, the PayPal not ready. Up the zelly. Yo, transfer the money now before we can start. I grab card, start the charge. If your phone hot, me keep it on me yard. Reach home, me say 3 missed call. Hello, good evening, son. How many money you receiving, son? I need to see you before the evening done. I got a lot of reports I've been keeping down.